just removed the cork from this queen cage and she really wants out. And I'm going to take some of this bee food and try and shove that in the entrance. Oh man. And I just made a huge mess. She's still in there. Because I should have brought a marshmallow. Whoop, you just put it right on her head. Okay.
Or she got her head stuck in it.
More? And you'll probably want to wash that off, or something.
Yeah, before we let the rest of these guys out, they'll think you're food.
Is there any more water in that gallon bottle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And I guess I lied. Because she doesn't have attendance and all that kind of stuff, I'm going to have to put her in between the frames. And I'm not going to mark her. I'm going to have to wait to do it because this just isn't going to happen. So I'm going to put this down here. Oops.
So that won't fall?
Okay, I'm going to put one more thing in there. Doo-doo-doo.